It's good. But this is actually nice.
Really nice. This bread is good. It was gluten-free. But I think I would take two.
Yeah. Well, as long as he can make them.
Yeah. Because I feel like that's rare.
Yeah. We are on beach street. We kind of walked really far, to be honest.